Here I have Mercedes GLB, and let me explain all assistance function on this car. So, first things first, let me start by using the home screen and let me explain step by step how to get access to the assistance features. So all you need to do is swipe to the left a few times until you see the settings icon. So let me tap the car icon with the settings and choose here the first tab, which is assistance. Then from the assistance, let's tap assistance again. This is the third option here. And as you can see here, we've got three features that you can use. First of all is the speed limit assist. So this feature uses a camera to detect speed limit signs and displays them on your instrument cluster. It can provide alerts if you exceed the limit to help you avoid the tickets. So all you need to do is enable this feature by using the following toggle. You can also press the mute button on the steering wheel for an extended duration, so you can deactivate the acoustic speed limit warning at any time. Alright, let's go for the second assistance features, which is traffic light view. So when you're stopped at a red light, this system uses an augmented reality camera to show you a live feed of the traffic light on your central display. It's incredibly helpful if your view of physical light is blocked by a roofline. So you can use this toggle here to enable the feature. You can also use it, for example, on request, but you can use it in automatic mode to have always enabled the traffic light view. The third one is Attention Assist. This is a fatigue detection system. It analyzes over 70 parameters of your driving style. If it detects signs of drowsiness or inattention, it alerts you with a warning and suggests taking a break. You can enable or disable this feature here. You can also tap Settings to change the level of the Attention Assist. It could be sensitive or standard. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.